Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to show how to perform one sample hypothesis test using SPSS with p-value approach. This is the first example. The keyword of different indicates two-tailed test. The null and alternative hypothesis statements should be like this. Let's perform one sample t-test using SPSS. We go from analyze, compare means, and then one sample t-test. In this case, we like to test if the population average of the stat exam scores is either 70 or not. So we move the exam variable into test variable box and enter the test value 70 in this box. This part is important. Then click on Options. Since 5% significance level is given in this example, confidence level should be 100 minus 5 to get 95%. So keep as 95, click on Continue, and OK. Now we have one sample t-test result. Here is the output table from SPSS. You can see the test value 70. The notation for p-value is significance in either one-sided or two-sided case. Since we are performing the two-tailed test, we take p-value 0.026 from the two-sided column. For the alpha value, we can read 5% significance level in the question, so the alpha should be 0.05. Here is a criterion for p-value approach. If p-value is less than or equal to alpha value, then we reject the null hypothesis, while if the p-value is greater than alpha, we do not reject the null hypothesis. In this example, we have p-value 0.026, which is less than the alpha value 0.05, so we reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, there is enough evidence to conclude that the population mean of stat exam scores is different from 70. Here is another example. The keyword of higher indicates one-tailed test. The null and alternative hypothesis statement should be like this. Let's perform one sample t-test using SPSS for this example. Similar to the previous example, start from analyze, compare means, and one sample t-test. Again, we use the exam variable. Since we are testing if the average mark is higher than 75, the test value 75 should be entered here. Click on Options to set up the confidence level. We are given 10% significance level in this example, and we use two-tailed confidence interval. So we need to consider another invisible left tail area when determining confidence level. Therefore, 100 minus 2 times 10 to get 80 as the confidence level. Enter 80, continue, and click on OK. Now we have a result table. Here is the output table from SPSS. You can see the test value 75 for this test. This time, we are doing one-tailed test. We use one-sided p as the p-value, which is 0.448. Then we need to indicate the alpha value from the question sentence to see 10% as the significance level. Once again, here is the decision rule for p-value approach. Since our p-value 0.448 is greater than the alpha value 0.1, we do not reject the null hypothesis, HO. Therefore, there is not enough evidence to conclude that the population mean of stat exam scores is higher than 75. Please comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you again.